those people doing, bruv? Oh shit, it's pretty easy to get over there. You alright, guys? I think this might be the easiest way. Oh yeah, that would be a lot easier. Thought I was gonna have to climb it. Fucking hell, man. How sick is this? Right, it's time for my first look inside a cooling tower. Wow. What the fuck? This thing is massive. Listen to this. Whew. Fuck, man. Woo! Yeah, yeah. Mate, that echo's nutty. Oh, we need to climb something, don't we? How hard's it going to be to climb this? Hard as fuck. Oh, it's so slippy. Okay, that's not a thing then. That looks hard as fuck to climb on. No way! How the fuck would you do that? So there's just nothing climbable here at all. That's a disappointment. There's something about this place that's just disorientating. It's really cool. Yeah, boy. I've got to be honest, I'm not entirely sure how these things work. I understand they're cooling towers, but what does that mean exactly? All I know is that like steam or smoke would come out the top of them. I'm gonna look into it more when I get home. Now I've been here, it's created a curiosity I didn't have before. Look at this. I really hope you can see that moon. If you can't, it looks like the DreamWorks logo. This is sick. How big is this site, man? Jeez! Yeah, we need to hurry up, you know. Wow. Right, I gotta run. Fucking train is coming. Right, where did we come in? It was over here somewhere. Oh, this is bad. If I miss this train, I'm fucked. It's gotta be over here. Oh, mate, this is horrible. Seems like whichever direction I go, there's bare stinging nettles and thorns and thistles. Ow. This is fucked. I fucked myself. Bail. This hurts too much. I've actually missed this train. I'm such a dick. Fuck's sake, rip through it, bruv. That was a fucking ass. Get me out of there. Fucking run! Sun's still setting in the background. My legs are stung to fuck, and I think I'm gonna miss my train. Let's find out. Hey, we made it! Come on. Oh, it's true,